Hello, my name's James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can globally change all the fonts in your PowerPoint presentations, just in case there are some issues with accessibility or you just fancy changing your fonts. So here's a PowerPoint presentation kindly donated by one of my colleagues at King's. You can see that the font used in the majority of these slides is Comic Sans. As you click through, you'll notice that they're all Comic Sans. And I want to change from Comic Sans to, let's say, Calibri or Helvetica. To do this, I go to the Edit menu, I choose Find, Replace Fonts. You probably didn't even notice that was there. If you choose Replace Fonts, this font window will appear in front of you. You can choose the font you wish to replace, and then choose the font you wish to replace it with. So if I choose Calibri, it will replace all the fonts in the presentation with the font Calibri. It may take a few seconds to do this because of course there might be a lot of changes to be made in your presentation. And there we are. If I close this window now, you'll notice that on all of the slides the font has been replaced with Calibri. So there we are, a very quick way of changing all the fonts within your presentation.